Hi Sagnik, I dedicate this multiplication table.
Shortcut method, right?
Yes, table 86.
Okay, actually, why did you dedicate this to Shagni?
He loves maths.
He loves numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 86 is a 2-digit, okay? So
Yes.
we can arrive through shortcut method if you know the table of 8 and 6.
Okay.
Start.
Table 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8.
Okay.
8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 into 10 is equal to 80.
Okay, Avnish, the same way that you have written 6th table, right?
Yes.
That's enough.
6 into 1 is equal to 6.
Abhi.
6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. And 6 into 10 is 60.
Now we are going to arrive the table 86.
86 into 1.
Using these answers, okay? So how do we get?
6
Okay.
in 1's place and 8 in 10's place.
Okay. Next, 86 into 2. How do we arrive?
Write 2 in 1's place. To 1's place. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7
Okay.
in 10's place. And write 1 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 8 in 1's place. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 in 10's place. And 2 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 4 in 1's place. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So write in 10's place 4 and write 3 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 0 in 1's place.
Which 0? Actually, in both the cases, 0.
In 1's.
Okay, fine.
0 plus 3 is equal to 3.
Okay.
So write 3 in 10's place and write 4 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 6 in 1's place. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Write 1 in 10's place.
So carry forward 1.
1 plus 4 is equal to 5.
Where did you get that 4?
100,
Show me.
100's place.
Okay.
So write 5 in 100's place. Write 2 in 1's place. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10.
So you have to write
Write
1.
0
Okay.
in 10's place.
That 1 is carry forward
Yes.
with.
5.
Okay.
5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So write 6 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 8 in 1's place. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So write 8 in 10's place.
So there is no carry forward, right?
Yes. Write 6 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 4 in 1's place. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7.
Okay.
So write 7 in 10's place. Write 7 in 100's place.
Okay.
Write 0 in 1's place. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And write 8 in 100's place.
So now 86th table is over, right?
Yes.
So if you want 45th table, what do you do? The same way you have to take 4th table and
5th table.
yes. So okay, very nice, Avnish. Hope Shagnik will love this, right?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Anish.